Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I created this look using the 350 Morphe palette. I've only ever actually used it once in a other tutorial before, which was literally when I first brought it, and I just wanted to show you a look that I could create with this palette. But today I just wanted to do something more on a vibrant side for autumn, and as you can see there is a lot of colours in here that shade out autumn, so I did pick a few out and created this look using them shades. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, and also don't forget to give this tutorial a big thumbs up. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So I'm first going to pick up this shade just with a normal fluffy brush and just literally sweep this backwards and forth into my crease and just above my crease a little bit. This is just going to be our transition shade for today. Then I'm going to go in with this gorgeous bright orange colour, and this is going to be like one of the main colours that we're going to be sweeping backwards and forth into our crease today. I'm just using a big fluffy brush because I do want to pack this product on, but also because I do want to blend this out as well as packing it on as well. So I'm just going to apply this in my crease and above and just blend it out. I'm then picking up that transition shade again, just a little bit less this time, and blending out that orange shade a little bit more, just so there isn't no harsh lines. Then going in with this maroon shade, I've been using this quite a lot to be honest, and I think it's one of my favourite shades in the palette to be honest. This is going to go over my whole entire lid and into my crease a little bit, and then I'm going to be blending the shade out up towards the crease a little bit more. Then I'm going to pick a little bit more of that orange shade up and just start blending that maroon shade we just applied. Then dipping into this like warm toned orange shade. This is going to go in between the orange shade and the maroon shade we just applied, just to blend them colours nicely together. Then with all the blending we just done, I feel like the orange shade got lost a little bit, so I just applied some using the same brush we just used. Then the lid colour wasn't dark enough for me, so I went in with this dark brown shade on a flat brush and just started applying this all over my entire lid, and then again up into my crease. I then picked up a smaller defined blending brush and just started focusing blending this brown shade into my crease and then towards up towards those other colours we applied as well. Then mixing these two shades together, I'm just going to blend out that brown shade we just applied and just start applying a little bit more of them two shades just so they stand out a little bit more. Then I just felt like it was just missing a little bit more of a reddy tone, so I went back in with that maroon shade above that brown shade and just applied in between them just to make it a little bit more vibrant, should I say. Then I'm just going to line my lash line. I'm not going to do a wing, I'm just going to line it just so it looks a lot more natural and a lot more easy for me to apply my false lashes later on. Then applying the MARC mascara in the shade Black. Then to prime my face, I'm going to be using this Infallible primer by L'Oreal. It's also like a highlighter, so I suppose you can mix it into your foundation or put it on before you apply your highlighter. But I didn't actually realise how pigmented this would actually be until I started blending it out with the brush. But it is such a beautiful highlighter, to be honest, but it also works as a primer, so I'm just applying this underneath my foundation just before I apply it. Then going in with a 24-hour Infallible L'Oreal foundation in the shade 120. I'm just going to blend this out with a damp beauty blender. And then going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in their supersize concealer in the shade number 6. And then again, I'll blend this out with a damp beauty blender. Then to set all that in place, I'm going to be using the Collection Sheer Loose Powder, and I'm just going to be using a Real Technique sponge just to apply this. Then going in with the Fit Me Maybelline Pressed Powder in the shade 120 Ivory, I'm just going to set the rest of my face and also wipe away the rest of the baking we just applied. Moving on to the lower lash, and I'm going to be taking the maroon shade and the brown shade just to define my lower lash, and then I'm just going to take a bit of the bright orange shade just to blend that out. I'm then going to go in with my Luxe Elixir contour and bronze palette and just use the 3 bottom bronzing shades and contour shades just to contour and bronze up my face. Then going in with the number 7 blush. I can't remember what shade it is, but as I always do, I'll be linking all the shades down below in the description bar, so make sure you check that out. And then I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones. Then setting my brows in place using the brow mascara from Maybelline in the shade medium brown, sorry. Then using the Makeup Academy highlighter in the shade Iridescent Gold, I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone, my inner corner, and also my cheekbones, cupid's bow, and my nose. Then spritzing my face using the Makeup Revolution All Control Setting Mist, and then I'm going to apply my liquid lipstick from Kylie Jenner, and then over the top of that I'll be using my Dior red lip gloss. And then this is the end result, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. But until next time, hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!